Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to create equalizer preset for your earbuds HUAWEI FreeBuds Pro 4. You have to start by open HUAWEI Life application, and of course you need to add your earbuds to the app. Then you will see them at the device list and you need to tap at your earbuds. Then scroll down just a bit. Right here, as you can see, we have HUAWEI Sound. You need to click more near to it. And then click at the plus at the right top. Now make something good for you. Let's say that's okay for me, but if you don't like what you made, let's say you're doing something like this, you can click reset. Now you have a default preset. And now I guess that's okay for me. Then click save, and as you can see we have this preset. You can rename it by click at this icon with a pencil. Oh no, we can't rename. We can only delete this preset by click at the trash icon and then OK. And then you can again click at the plus and save, because as you can see now I tap at the name but I cannot change it. I don't know why HUAWEI did this, but that's all what we have. So we can create more than one preset and we have it here. Again, you can delete them if you don't need it, or you can reset and change it by click at the reset button. Then click save, and now we just change it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later!